Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Today we are talking about small but mighty piece of furnitures that can transform your bedrooms. The humble beside tables, but not just any beside table. We are focusing on simple, elegant wooden designs in modern interiors. These pieces are not just practicals; they are a style statement. So why wood brings a unique warmth and organic feels that other materials just can't replicate. At it add textures and are natural elements that often the clean lines often found in modern decor. Things about it are sleek, minimalist. Bedrooms can sometimes feel a little cold. A beautiful wooden beside tables instantly makes it feel more inviting and comfortable. Simple design, big impact, less is more. The key here is simplicity. We are not looking for ornate carving or fussy details. Instead, things clean lines, smooth finishes, and straightforward shapes. This simplicity allows the natural beauty of the wood to shine through. A simple wooden cube, a floating shelf, or a table with just one drawer. These designs integrates seamlessly into a modern space without overpowering it. They provide a quiet sophistications. Functionality meets styles beyond just looks. But these tables are not just pretty faces. They are incredibly functional. They offer a convenient spot for your reading lamp, your phones, a glass of waters, or your current favorite book. Some even come with discrete drawers or shelves for extra storage, helping to keep your bedrooms tidy and clutters free. It's about having everything you need within arm's reach without sacrificing your aesthetic, pairing, and stylish, making it yours. How do you style them? It's easier than you think. Wooden beside tables pairs beautifully with a variety of decors, styles. These looks fantastic with crisp uh, white beddings for a screen look or alongside borders colors for a more dramatic feels. You can add a simple vase with fresh flowers, a small piece of art, or a minimalist arm clock or to personalize your space. Remember, let the wood be the stars and just few carefully chosen items. Conclusion: your perfect bedroom retreat. In conclusion, simple but elegant wooden beside tables are a fantastic investment for any bedrooms. They bring a warm functionality and timeless style. So, if you are looking to elevate your sleeping space, consider the understand charms of a well chosen wooden beside tables. It just might be the missing piece to create your perfect bedroom's retreat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye bye.